Hey everybody, you know me, it's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. I steam cleaned this carpet 2 years ago, and that traffic pattern right along the edge of the bed, it lightened up, but it was still kind of there. Today we're going to hit it with the VLM method and see what happens. Last time it was soaked with urine everywhere. Looks like that has been completely resolved. Just a little dirt and of course the traffic area. I have 2 bedrooms and a staircase. These people moved out. They're coming back on the 30th to get the rest of their belongings. Staircase. I always take pictures so the landlord can see. Somebody has to come back in eventually and walk over my work. They still have to clean bathrooms and pick up their fold-up bed or blow-up bed. This room's not too bad. The camera always does these frisé gray, dark gray carpets no justice. Gives them kind of a, I don't know, undertones, and it's not dirt. It's just the shadows and the indentions from the light. But let's give it a quick vacuuming. Of course, I'm vacuuming, or I'm videoing this at double speed. And I'll just show you vacuuming the one room here. And then I'll move on, finish vacuuming the second room and the staircase. And that'll break your your sanitary commercial vac, a hair clip. Good thing I saw that. So it's been, oh man, I think it's been 4 or 5 days since my last video. I do apologize. I've been working alone. I've had my wife a couple times working with me, and I've told everybody I kind of overbook myself in the summertime so that I can put some money away and take a month off, half of December and the first half of January, to spend with my family. And it kind of slows down that season anyway. Nobody really wants you in the house right before Christmas or right after Christmas. They're recovering from spending all their money. But around the 15th of January, things start to pick up again. Everybody needs to get the carpets cleaned because holiday traffic or the Christmas tree. They had a real Christmas tree and they spilt water trying to keep it alive, things like that. And giving these carpets a thorough vacuuming today. I did empty out the bag here. And like I said, you'll see it should clean up really well. It cleaned up last time I steam cleaned it. And that video was actually 2 years to the date, August 19th, 2019. Look at that little guy go. Oh yeah. Let's just hope that eagle up on the tree doesn't come get him. So anyway, it's like I said, it's almost 2 years to the day. Today's what, the 18th, so 3 days off. You can see that traffic pattern looks better since I did vacuum it. I'm gonna hit it with some simple Encap. There's my work sprayer. This is the regular simple Encap. I believe it's simple Encap I'm using today. Or it might be, or no, I'm sorry. I mixed up Green Dragon, 8 ounces in there, and I put a drop of, actually did put a drop of lemon simple green, just for the scent. I know the Encapstore is working on getting vanilla and some other scents that you could use. Alrighty then, let's hit it with the pre-scrub, the CRB SIBO Duo made in Germany. These things I'm really impressed with. I've been using it pretty much at, I'd say 80% of the jobs I do, 100% of the jobs when I use the Auric Orbiter. It's got those two brushes, very easy to pop out two screws, pull the brushes off, clean the inside, and clean the brushes off. So let's see what happens. 2 years ago, I just used straight steam cleaning, hot water, and I think I was at about only 220 psi. So let's see what kind of results we can get. Stay with me and we'll check it out. Okay, I'm telling you, it actually looks cleaner. It looks like it pulled up. Maybe that was embedded hair, I'm not sure, and the steam cleaning didn't get it out. But it looks like this is going to really make a dent in those areas. Just going over some of the areas, actually not soil. I think this was just shadowing where there was an indention. Piece of furniture, who knows? Doesn't hurt to be sure. And like I said, yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. A lot of people think it's too lightweight, but it works perfect. Follow up with the Auric Orbiter and some Glad pads. You could see those are clean. I got one pad for each area, including my set of stairs. There's the one that's going to do the staircase, just one side. These absorb all the way through, which is awesome. Then there's the one I'm going to use in this room. See what kind of results we can get. I'm not using the mini CD glider today. Don't need it because I did spray them pretty heavy. So the pad should move wonderfully. All right, let's go to work. And oh, listen to that quiet machine. Look at that. I mean, that's better than my steam clean. I'm not kidding you. You can go back to the video, August 15th, I think it was 2019. Look at the pad next to the clean pad. Woohoo! Where does the soil go? Transfers right into that pad, baby. And it's encapsulation or crystallization, so 0 residue. Go, dog, go. Oh, wait. Go, Paul, go. Isn't that a Dr. Seuss book? Watch me clean up a few stairs here, and then we'll take a look at the final results. effortlessly, painlessly. Nothing but results. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And like I say, these carpets, the shadow from the door, I'm not making excuses, but these, if you were here, they look absolutely stunning. The camera sometimes picks up lighting and shadows and weird crap, and of course this room, if you remember this one, it wasn't dirty at all. Came out fine, but you're seeing different shadows and indentions. And of course the grooming deck brush gives you those triangles. And I did have to take a few pictures to send to my client. So I've got that one. And that one, I should have left the light on. And then I think we'll take a look at the stairs. Again, the light and the shadows are reaping havoc on my quality work. So we'll see what happens if I can do it just from a video angle. Not bad. And there you go. All my stuff's put away. Got all my pads back there. Got my 175 ready for service. My Auric Orbiter. And what's this? Oh, a microfiber cloth from Encapstore.com. They're my sponsor. Just kidding. I pretty much buy everything from Damon at the Encap store. He's awesome. There's always a link below in the description if you're interested in picking up any products that I use. Like I said, today was Green Dragon. I did add just maybe an ounce of lemon simple green until Damon comes up with just a deodorizer. And I know I've tested a vanilla one that smells incredible. So I'm waiting for that. And here you go. They see me rolling. See you in the next one.